What is the model of revolver made famous by Clint Eastwood's Dirty Harry Callahan?
I know what you're thinking, punk. You're thinking that he fired 6 shots or only 5. Now, to tell you the truth, I forgot myself in all this excitement. But being this is a 44 Magnum, the most powerful handgun in the world, and will blow your head clean off, you could ask yourself a question. Do I feel lucky? Well, do you, punk? Being this is a 44 Magnum, the most powerful handgun in the world, and would blow your head clean off,